Most people fly into Montego Bay and head straight to the beaches. Meanwhile, they're missing out on some of the most authentic, raw, and downright amazing experiences Kingston has to offer. I'm talking about the kind of spots where Jamaican culture, music, and art thrives. So today, I'm breaking down the 10 experiences in Kingston that'll have you feeling like a proper local. We're going deep into the heart of Jamaica's capital, and by the end of this, you're going to be rethinking everything you thought you knew about this city. Let's jump right in. Number 1 on our list is the Downtown Mural Walk. Now, before you think this is just some basic art tour, hear me out. Downtown Kingston has transformed into this incredible outdoor gallery where every wall tells a story. You've got massive murals celebrating reggae legends, political history, everyday Jamaican life, and some pieces that'll stop you in your tracks. The colors are insane, the energy is electric, and you're literally walking through living history. Coming in at number 2 is the National Gallery of Jamaica. And look, I know what you're thinking. A gallery? Really? But this is where you see Jamaica's artistic soul on full display. We're talking pieces from past movements that'll tug at your heart, contemporary works that challenge everything, and historical pieces that trace Jamaica's journey from colonial times to now. You'll leave with a completely new appreciation for Jamaican creativity. It's culture and art mixing together in the most beautiful way. Number 3 is where things get creative and cozy. Wick and Sip is this amazing candle making experience that's perfect whether you're flying solo, on a date, or hanging with friends. You literally get to create your own custom candle while sipping on drinks and vibing to good music. It's therapeutic, it's fun, and you walk away with a handmade souvenir. Plus, there's something really satisfying about watching your creation come to life. It's one of those experiences that sounds simple, but ends up being way more memorable than you'd expect. Now, if you're feeling extra artsy, number 4 is a palette party, which is basically paint and sip, but with Jamaican flavor. Even if you can't draw a straight line, you're gonna have a blast. They guide you through creating your own glow-in-the-dark masterpiece step by step. There's music playing, drinks flowing, and everyone's just having a good time. No judgment, no pressure, just pure creative vibes. And hey, if you're enjoying this list so far, do me a solid and gently tap that like button. It really helps us keep bringing you these hidden gems and authentic Kingston experiences. All right, back to the list. Here's where things get really interesting. At number 5, we're talking about escaping to Raft Jam Bed and Breakfast. Yeah, it's still technically in Kingston, but it feels like you've been transported to another world entirely. This place has beautiful views of the mountains, with a private river and falls. The vibe is laid back and it's the perfect spot to just breathe and take in Jamaica's natural beauty without driving for hours. Number 6 takes us back in time to Port Royal. This place was literally known as the wickedest city on earth back in the day. We're talking pirates and treasure and then a massive earthquake that sank most of it into the sea in 1692. Today, you can visit Fort Charles, walk through history, and check out several historical buildings. At number 7, we're hitting up Gloria's restaurant for dinner. Gloria's has been serving authentic Jamaican food for decades. The kind of food that makes you close your eyes and just appreciate every single bite. They specialize in seafood, and it's cooked to perfection. This isn't fancy. It's not trying to be something it's not. It's just real, honest, delicious Jamaican cooking that'll have you coming back for seconds and thirds. Number 8 is for all my music lovers out there. The Bunny Lee Museum celebrates one of Jamaica's most influential music producers. If you don't know the name, you definitely know the music. This man helped shape reggae and dancehall as we know it today. The museum is packed with memorabilia, stories, and insights into Jamaica's music industry that you won't find anywhere else. It's intimate, it's powerful, and you'll leave with a whole new appreciation for the sounds that came out of this tiny island. Number 9 is absolutely essential if you want to understand reggae's roots. Trench Town is where Bob Marley, Jimmy Cliff, and so many legendary reggae artists got their start. This community was the heartbeat of reggae music. And visiting here isn't just about seeing where Bob lived. It's about understanding the struggles, the creativity, and the pure determination that birthed a musical revolution. And finally, number 10, we're getting active with a hike to Cascade Falls. Just outside the city, you've got these gorgeous hiking trails leading to hidden waterfalls. Cascade Falls is the perfect level for most people. Not too intense, but challenging enough that you'll feel accomplished. And when you reach those falls and that cool water hits your skin after a hot hike, pure magic. It's the perfect way to see Kingston's natural side while getting your steps in. So there you have it, 10 incredible experiences that'll show you the real Kingston. Not the Kingston people warned you about, but the Kingston that locals love and visitors never forget. This city has soul, has history, has flavors and sounds and sights that you literally cannot find anywhere else in the world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and remember, the best adventures are the ones that take you off the beaten path.